Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. How everyone? I am Zoe. I was just thinking about talking about school today.
Oh, nice. School is a big topic. It touches many things. Memories, friends, learning.
Yes, everyone has a school story. Some are funny, some are serious, some are simple. Today, we will talk slowly. We will use simple words.
Let's start with the first day of school. Do you remember your first day, Zoe?
Yes, I do. I was small. I was 5 years old. I held my mom's hand and I felt nervous. The building was big to me. The classroom was colorful. I saw toys and a small chair just for me.
I remember my first day too. I felt brave at home, but when I saw the classroom, I felt shy. My stomach had butterflies. My teacher smiled and that helped. She said, "Welcome." That one word made me calm.
Teachers can make a big difference. A smile is small, but it helps a lot. Some teachers sing, some tell stories. I liked the teacher who told stories. She made learning fun.
Me too. I had a math teacher who used games. She would put numbers on the floor. We jumped to the right answer. We laughed a lot. I learned without feeling scared of numbers.
What about subjects? School has many subjects: math, science, reading, writing, art, music, and more. Which subject did you like best, Zach?
I liked art and reading. Drawing was calm for me. Reading took me to other worlds. I loved stories about animals and far places. How about you?
I liked science. I liked to see things work. I liked small experiments. Once we mixed colors and made new colors, it felt like magic. I also liked music. Singing with friends was fun.
Yes, music brings people together. I remember a school concert. I was nervous to sing. My hands shook. But my friends clapped and I felt proud. That feeling stayed with me.
School is not only books, it is also friends. Friends help you learn and feel happy. Do you have a close friend memory, Zach?
Yes, I had a friend named Mike. We sat next to each other, we shared pencils and snacks. One day, I forgot my lunch. Mike shared his sandwich without asking. I felt grateful. That was true friendship.
That is so sweet. I had a friend named Sarah. We made a small club. We liked to read together. We would trade stories. Sometimes we would whisper in class and the teacher would smile. Small moments like that are special.
School also teaches life skills: time, patience, teamwork. In sports day, we learned to try our best. We also learned that losing is okay. It helps us grow.
Yes, I cried once when I lost a race. I felt sad. My coach hugged me and said, "It's okay, you tried." That hug made me try again next year.
Sometimes school is hard. Exams are a big part. Many students feel stress. I felt that too. I studied late and I worried. But I learned better ways after some time. Small breaks help, and sleep helps a lot.
True. I learned to plan. I made small goals each day. Study for 30 minutes, then rest. That made study less scary. And talking to friends helped a lot. We could ask each other questions.
Online school is another thing. During some years, many students learned from home. It was different. I missed the classroom and my friends. But there were good parts too, like learning at home and wearing comfy clothes.
Yes, online classes were strange. Sometimes the internet was slow, sometimes my cat walked on the keyboard. But I liked that I could re-watch recorded lessons. That helped me when I missed a point.
Pets in class are fun. School lunches are another memory. Do you remember cafeteria food, Zoe?
Yes, some days the food was great. Some days it was not so great. But the best part was the company. We sat with friends and talked. Sometimes we traded food. I loved when my friend brought chips.
I liked pizza day. Everyone was happy. And also, school trips are a favorite. Trips to museums, parks, or farms. I went to a science museum once. I touched a real rock from space. It felt amazing.
Wow, a space rock. I went to a farm. I fed a small goat. It was smelly but fun. I learned about plants and animals. Trips make learning real. They make memories.
School also has rules. Some rules feel strict. We had to wear uniforms. My uniform was blue. I didn't like the tie at first, but uniforms can make things fair. Everyone looks similar. It can stop some teasing.
Yes, rules help keep places safe, but some rules can be changed. Good teachers listen. I had a teacher who asked, "What do you think?" That felt good. Students felt heard.
Speaking of hearing, listening is a big skill. In class, we learn to listen. Sometimes we just wait to speak, but real listening helps us understand others. When a friend speaks, listen closely.
Yes, and speaking is important too. Some students are shy. I used to be shy in class. My voice was quiet. My teacher asked me to read one sentence. I did it. My heart beat fast. I felt proud after. Small steps matter.
That's a great point. Small steps like that can change you. Another small step is asking for help. Many students think asking is bad, but asking is smart. It shows you want to learn.
True. I asked my teacher for help in writing once. She gave me tips and a simple plan. I followed it, and my writing got better. The plan was just a few lines. Idea, then 3 sentences, then one more to finish. That made writing easy.
School can also be a place for art and play. I remember a school play. I was the tree. I wore green and stayed still. I was scared to forget the line, but the audience clapped, and I was happy.
Being a tree sounds fun. I was in a play too. I played a small princess. I wore a shiny dress. I felt like a star for one night. Those moments are small but bright.
Let's talk about kindness at school. Kindness can change a day. A smile, a hello, a helping hand. One time, I fell on the playground. A kid I did not know helped me up. That kind act made me feel brave again.
Kindness is powerful. I once saw a student help another with reading. They sat together every day. Slowly, the reader got better, and their face lit up. That is the joy of teaching and learning.
Sometimes school is tough because of bullying. It's a sad thing, but schools can stop it with good rules and caring people. If someone feels bullied, tell a teacher or a parent. You're not alone. Help is there.
Yes, and friends can support each other. Sometimes just saying, "I'm here," helps. Adults should listen. Students should be brave and speak up if they feel unsafe. School should be a safe place.
Let's talk about homework. Some students love it, many do not. I think homework is good in small amounts. It helps you practice, but too much can make you tired. Balance is key.
I agree. Short, regular practice works better than long, late-night sessions, and doing homework with a quiet space helps. I keep a small bottle of water and a pencil box. Small habits make study smoother.
Do you remember a funny school moment, Zoe? Something silly.
Yes, once during a math test, a bee flew in. The room stayed still. One boy sneezed, and the bee landed on his paper. He smiled, and the class laughed softly. The teacher opened the window, and the bee flew out. It was a light moment in a tense test.
I love that. I had a funny moment, too. In gym class, we were playing dodgeball. I tripped and my shoe flew like a rocket. It landed near the teacher. She laughed and gave my shoe back. I was a little embarrassed, but it was okay.
Embarrassment stops being big when you look back. It can even become a story to laugh at later. That's part of growing.
School helps you learn about mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They teach us what to do next. I failed a small test once. I studied harder and improved next time. That felt good.
Yes, failure can be a teacher, and success is sweet too. I remember getting a small prize for a science project. I felt proud. I kept that prize on my desk for months. Small wins matter.
Let's talk about the future a little. School opens doors. It helps you choose a path. Some students want to be doctors. Some want to be artists. Some want to travel. School gives the tools to start.
And it's okay if the path changes. You might change your mind, and that's fine. Many adults change careers. The important thing is to keep learning. School starts that habit.
Now we move into the main topic part. We will share tips for students today. These are simple tips you can use now. Please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you. Share it with someone learning English. They might smile and learn something new.
English Podcast channel.
Tip 1. Make a small plan. Write 2 or 3 things to do each day. Small goals are easy to finish. Small wins build confidence.
Tip 2. Ask questions. If you do not understand, ask your teacher or a classmate. Asking is brave. It shows you want to learn.
Tip 3. Take small breaks. Study for 20 or 30 minutes, then rest 5 or 10 minutes. Your brain needs short rests to work well.
Tip 4. Read a little every day. Reading helps your vocabulary and your imagination. Pick stories you like. Reading should be fun, not a chore.
Tip 5.
Sleep well. Sleep helps your memory. When you sleep after study, your brain stores what you learned. Try to sleep at a good time. Your body will thank you.
Tip 6. Be kind. Help your classmates. Share your notes. Learning together is better. Be patient with others. Patience builds good friendships.
Tip 7. Use mistakes as lessons. If you made an error, find one small thing to improve. Then try again. Progress is step by step. Be gentle with yourself.
Tip 8. Enjoy school beyond tests. Join a club, try a sport, play music, draw. These activities help you learn teamwork and joy. They also help you find what you love.
Tip 9. Keep a small notebook for ideas. When you have a question, write it down. When you hear a new word, write it. Later, you can review these small notes. They grow into big knowledge.
Tip 10. Talk to your parents or guardians about school. They can help. Share one thing you learned or one thing that worried you. Sharing keeps you connected.
Now, some words for parents and teachers listening. Support a child's curiosity. Praise effort more than results. Say, good try, or you worked hard more often. Children need encouragement.
And for students who feel alone, know this: there are kind people who will listen. Talk to a teacher, a counselor, or a family member. Telling someone can be the first step to feeling better.
Let's share one more personal story. When I was in middle school, I had a big project. I felt lost. I talked to my older cousin. She helped me break the project into small parts. I finished on time and did well. That help felt like a gift.
I have a story too. In high school, I nearly gave up on a subject. I thought I was not smart enough. My friends sat with me after school. We studied together for weeks. With small steps, I improved. I learned that teamwork helps.
Those stories show that help is all around. Sometimes help comes from friends, sometimes from family, sometimes from teachers. Be open to help. Accept it with thanks.
As we near the end, let's reflect a little. School is many things: learning, friendship, mistakes, laughter, goals, and growth. It is not perfect, but it is a place to try, to fail, and to try again.
Yes, and school is also about small moments. A shared sandwich, a teacher's smile, a class trip, a song in music class. These small things become big memories.
Our final tip: be curious. Ask why and how. Be brave to try new things. And remember, learning is a lifelong journey. School is the first and important step.
Thank you for listening today. Please practice the new words you heard. Try to say one sentence about your school now. You can pause the video and speak. Speaking helps.
And if you liked this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you. Share it with someone learning English. They might smile and learn something new.
One last quick practice. Say with us: my school is my learning place. I try my best and I ask for help when I need it. Repeat after us, slowly.
My school is my learning place.
I try my best.
I ask for help when I need it.
Great job. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep learning.
We hope you enjoyed our chat about school today. Leave a comment and tell us one school memory. We love to read your stories.
Goodbye for now. Study a little every day and be kind to yourself. See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Take care and keep learning.